Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Millionaire's All Secret. Today we're going to talk about starting a business and what you need to remember to get your new venture up and running successfully. If you're looking to become an entrepreneur and start your own business, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything from coming up with a business idea to creating a business plan, so stay tuned. Before we dive into the details, I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was in the same position as many of you watching this video. I had a passion for a certain industry and I wanted to start my own business, but I had no idea where to start. I spent countless hours researching and planning, but I still felt lost. However, after years of trial and error, I finally figured it out. Today, I run a successful business and I want to share my knowledge with you. So let's get started. Number 1. How to find business idea. Come up with a business idea. The first step in starting a business is to come up with a great idea. Your business idea should be something you're passionate about, but it should also be a viable option for a successful business. Conduct market research to ensure that there is demand for your product or service. Number 2. How to create business plan. Once you have your business idea, the next step is to create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business and should include things like your mission statement, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Number 3. Secure funding. Starting a business can be expensive, so you'll need to secure funding to get started. Consider options like small business loans, crowdfunding, or even personal savings. Number 4. How to build solid team. As your business grows, you'll need to build a team of employees to help you run it. Hire individuals who are passionate about your business and have the skills needed to make your company successful. Number 5. Launch your business. Finally, it's time to launch your business. This can be an exciting and nerve-wracking time, but with a solid business plan and a great team, you can make your launch successful. Conclusion. Starting a business can be a daunting task, but with the right mindset and preparation, you can make your dreams a reality. Remember to come up with a great business idea, create a solid business plan, secure funding, build your team, and launch your business. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences starting a business, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content, and I'll see you in the next video.